I love to start plants from seeds, and some are really easy to germinate, like tomatoes, but some take a little something extra. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you some tricks to get those tough seeds to germinate too. The first trick is the warm soak. To soften their hard outer layer, some seeds benefit from a simple soaking in warm water before planting, like okra, peas, beans, and nasturtiums. And it's as simple as placing the seeds in a cup of warm but not boiling water and let them set for 24 hours and then plant out as usual. Another method of breaking through the seed coat of extremely hard surfaces is through a process called scarification, and that's just a fancy name for scarring or scratching. But it allows water to penetrate into the seed, which enables it to germinate. Now, Mother Nature does a great job of handling that process outdoors. But at home, the best way to do that is by rubbing each seed on a file or piece of sandpaper. And how much? Well, just until you can see a change in color in the seed is a good rule of thumb. And here's a great tip. You see this dot? That's where the shoot is going to emerge, so you want to scratch the opposite end so that you don't damage the eye of the seed. And then just scratch each seed and plant as usual. And then there's stratification. Now, the term refers to simulating nature's ebbs and flows of winter and early spring. Now, some seeds need that temperature variability as they're cue to sprout. And some perennial seeds and a lot of tree seeds require stratification before they germinate. Indoors, we can mimic that by putting seeds in a plastic bag with a moist but not wet soil mix and placing it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 12 weeks. When you bring the bag out of the cold to plant, the seeds think it's springtime and they'll begin to sprout.